Welcome to Wednesday, August 26, 2020. High pressure, folks, is beginning to fade finally. It's been 3 weeks of just a massive hot ridge of high pressure over the western United States, which has completely dominated things, but now it's beginning to fade. Subtropical moisture is continuing to move in. We've had, in some areas, some rain-producing thunderstorms over the last couple of days. Not everyone's going to get rain, but we have been seeing some rain in some high mountain areas across Colorado and Wyoming over the last couple of days in some spots, and that's certainly helping with the fire danger. And we'll see some thunderstorm chances across the region with this moisture in place over the next few days and through the weekend. Big changes are coming Monday and Tuesday. That's still on tap. In fact, even by this Friday, you're going to notice it not being nearly as hot. Although for this Wednesday and tomorrow for Thursday, still expect it to be really warm. But after that, temperatures certainly do change. This is where we are today. You can see Laura, going to be a big one, going right along that Texas-Louisiana coast. We're not going to see any moisture from Laura. It's going to go north, then get curved to the east. We, though, are still benefiting from some of the leftover moisture from what was Hurricane Genevieve that came up and dissipated over the weekend and came on in. This is what's producing the clouds and the showers and thunderstorms in the region. But you can notice the high pressure ridge is not nearly as strong today, but there's still plenty of warm air getting drawn up from the southwest to keep our temperatures warm for 2 more days. Here's that subtropical moisture fetch. This is what we were showing you last week that we were hoping was going to move in, and here it is. It's going to be overhead over the next 3 to 4 days. So anywhere you see the green, the blue, or the white, there's going to be some shower and thunderstorm activity. Now, by Saturday afternoon, you can see high pressure continues to get more suppressed to the south. The jet stream getting more active up here in Wavy. And we've got this trough coming in and winds aloft. You see these little wind barbs? Winds aloft are coming in from the northwest now. This is by the weekend. So this will cause temperatures to not be terribly hot, not terribly cooler, but down a little bit. Then this is going to be a front where there's a good pocket of cold air right here behind it. So as this trough swings like this, Sunday night into Monday and Tuesday, it's going to draw colder air south, along with better chances for showers and thunderstorms. This is the precipitation forecast through Sunday evening, and you can see that we're going to have showers and thunderstorms, even west of the divide, coming on in. The moisture up here by late Sunday is part of that front that's headed this way. And you can see it. This is by Monday morning. The trough is going through the Dakotas. Winds aloft are coming out of western Canada. There's another little pocket of colder air right here coming on in behind it. So this will lead to a significant drop in temperature early next week across the Rockies and High Plains. And there it is. This is by Monday morning. The cold front is all the way down to the Texas panhandles, pushing east, and that is going to bring a pretty significant drop in temperatures based on what we have been experiencing. A lot of this is relative. I mean, we've been 90s and 80s and 100s. We're going to be just 60s and 70s by Monday and Tuesday. Here's another front. This is all the way out to September 10th and 11th. We have another high pressure ridge building in the Gulf of Alaska. So this is 15 days away. So take it with a grain of salt. But it does look like September starts off with 2 strong fronts. A strong front right at the beginning of the month, and maybe another front coming in about a week or so later. So it looks like September going to be a much different pattern, at least at the beginning of the month, compared to what we've had here in this hot August. Thanks for listening and watching the Day Weather Podcast. We'll see you on Thursday.